Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download community engagement ideas from Circle, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download community engagement ideas from Circle, begin by accessing the Circle platform. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Community section. Look for the Engagement Ideas tab, which can typically be found in the main menu. Click on the Engagement Ideas tab to open the dedicated section. Take a moment to explore the various categories of engagement ideas available. Select a category that interests you for more specific suggestions. Inside the chosen category, browse through the list of ideas provided. When you find an idea you'd like to download, click on it to view its details. On the detail page, look for the download button, usually represented by a downward arrow or similar icon. Click on the download button to initiate the process. A prompt may appear asking you to select a file format. Choose your preferred file format for the download. Confirm your selection to proceed. The idea will then be downloaded to your device. Check your Downloads folder to locate the downloaded file. Open the file to review the community engagement ideas. Feel free to customize or adapt these ideas to fit your community needs. Repeat the process for any additional ideas you wish to download. Ensure you regularly check for new ideas to keep your community engaged. You are now equipped to enhance your community engagement with fresh and innovative ideas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.